Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. 7 Days to Die Peer-to-Peer Lag and Firewall Fix, a comprehensive guide. This tutorial aims to help you reduce lag and resolve firewall issues when playing 7 Days to Die in peer-to-peer, P2P, mode with friends. We'll cover various aspects, from basic troubleshooting to more advanced firewall configurations. It's important to remember that P2P connections rely heavily on each player's internet connection and computer performance. Some lag may be unavoidable, especially with slower connections or high player counts. Understanding the problem, why lag and firewall issues occur. Peer-to-peer networking in P2P, each player directly connects to every other player. This contrasts with dedicated servers where all players connect to a central server. P2P requires strong upload and download speeds from all players, especially the host. The host computer also bears the brunt of processing player actions. Network latency, ping measures the round-trip time for data to travel between your computer and another. Higher ping results in noticeable delays. Ping is affected by distance, network congestion, and the quality of your internet connection. Firewall blocking. Firewalls are designed to protect your computer from unauthorized access. However, they can sometimes block legitimate game traffic, preventing players from connecting to each other. NAT, Network Address Translation. Most home networks use NAT to share a single public IP address among multiple devices. NAT can interfere with P2P connections because it obscures the internal IP addresses of the players. Router issues. Router configuration, firmware, and overall quality can impact network performance and P2P connectivity. Older or poorly configured routers can bottleneck the connection. Hardware limitations. The host computer's CPU, RAM, and hard drive speed can affect the game's performance, especially with multiple players and complex structures. Game settings. High graphics settings can strain the host's computer, leading to lag. Mods and custom content. Mods can add complexity to the game and potentially introduce performance issues. Ensure all players are using the same versions of mods. Outdated drivers. Network card drivers, graphics card drivers, and even system drivers can impact network performance and should be kept up to date. 2. Basic troubleshooting steps, easier fixes first. 1. Restart everything. Game close and restart 7 Days to Die. Steam close and restart the Steam client. Computer reboot your computer. This often resolves temporary glitches. Router/modem. Unplug your router and modem for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Allow a few minutes for them to fully restart. 2. Check your internet connection. Speed test. Use a website like speedtest.net or fast.com to check your upload and download speeds. Ideally, you want at least 5 Mbps upload speed and 10 Mbps download speed for smooth gameplay with a few players. More players require higher speeds. The host's upload speed is the most crucial factor. Ping test. Run a ping test to a reliable server, example ping google.com in a command prompt. Look for a stable ping under 100 milliseconds. Higher ping and significant fluctuations indicate potential connection problems. Wired connection. Use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. Wired connections are generally more stable and offer lower latency. Minimize network usage. Close any applications that are using a lot of bandwidth, such as streaming services, Netflix, YouTube, file downloads, or online backups. Ask other users on your network to limit their usage during gameplay. 3. Verify game files asterisk. Asterisk in Steam, right-click on 7 Days to Die in your library. Asterisk select Properties. Asterisk click on the Local Files tab. Asterisk click on Verify integrity of game files. Asterisk this will check for and repair any corrupted game files. 4. Update drivers asterisk. Asterisk graphics card asterisk download the latest drivers from NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, or AMD Adrenalin. Asterisk network card asterisk go to Device Manager, search for it in the Windows Start menu. Expand network adapters, right-click on your network adapter, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. You can also visit the manufacturer's website, example Intel, Realtek, for the latest drivers. Asterisk other system drivers asterisk consider using a driver update utility, example Driver Booster, Driver Easy, to check for and update outdated drivers. Be cautious when using such tools, as some may install unwanted software. 5. Game settings adjustments asterisk. Asterisk lower graphics settings asterisk reduce the graphics settings in the game. Start with the quality preset, example from ultra to high or medium. Experiment with individual settings like texture quality, shadow quality, view distance, and anti-aliasing. Lower settings reduce the load on the host's computer. Asterisk disable resource-intensive features asterisk turn off or reduce features like bloom, depth of field, motion blur, and ambient occlusion. Asterisk limit chunk size asterisk reduce the world's chunk size when creating a new game. Smaller chunks require less processing power. Asterisk disable blood splatter asterisk turn off blood splatter to reduce the amount of rendering required. 6. Check CPU and RAM usage asterisk. Asterisk open Task Manager, Control plus Shift plus ESC, while playing the game. Asterisk monitor CPU and RAM usage. If either is consistently at or near 100%, it indicates that your computer is struggling to handle the game. Upgrading your hardware, CPU, RAM, may be necessary. 7. Disable unnecessary programs asterisk. Asterisk close any unnecessary programs running in the background, as they can consume system resources. This includes web browsers, music players, and other applications. 8. Rule out mods, if applicable. Asterisk disable all mods and test the game. If the lag disappears, re-enable the mods one by one to identify the culprit. 9. Check games console asterisk. Asterisk press the F1 key during gameplay. This will open the in-game console. Asterisk look for any error messages or warnings that might indicate a problem. The console can provide valuable clues about the cause of lag. Pay special attention to network-related errors. 3. Firewall configuration, the tricky part. Firewalls are often the source of connectivity problems in P2P games. The goal is to allow 7 days to die traffic through your firewall without compromising your computer's security. A Windows firewall, most common. 1. Allow 7 days to die through the firewall asterisk. Asterisk method 1. During game launch asterisk Windows Firewall will usually prompt you when you first launch 7 days to die, asking if you want to allow the game through the firewall. Make sure to select both private networks and public networks. If you accidentally deny access, follow the manual steps below. Asterisk method 2, manual configuration asterisk. Asterisk open the Windows Security app. Search for it in the Start menu. Asterisk click on Firewall and Network Protection. Asterisk click on Allow an app through Firewall. Asterisk click Change Settings, you may need administrator privileges. Asterisk click allow another app. Asterisk click browse. And navigate to the 7 days to die executable file, usually located in C/program files, x86, /steam /steam apps /common 7 days to die. Select the 7 days to die.exe file. Asterisk ensure that both private and public checkboxes are selected for the 7 days to die app. Asterisk repeat the process for the 7 days to die server.exe file, which is located in the same directory. This is essential if you are hosting the game. Asterisk click OK. 2 Advanced firewall rules, if necessary, more complex. If simply allowing the application doesn't work, you may need to create specific inbound and outbound rules for the game's ports. 7 days to die typically uses these ports, but these can be changed in the server config.xml file if you are using the dedicated server. Asterisk TCP 26900-26903, game port, telnet, UDP. Asterisk UDP 26900-26903. Here's how to create these rules. Asterisk open Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security, search for it in the Start menu. Asterisk in the left pane, click on Inbound Rules. Asterisk in the right pane, click on New Rule. Asterisk select port and click Next. Asterisk select TCP and enter the port range, 26900-26903. Asterisk click Next. Asterisk select allow the connection and click Next. Asterisk select domain, private, and public and click Next. Asterisk give the rule a descriptive name, example 7DTD-TCP inbound, and click Finish. Asterisk repeat the process for UDP ports. Asterisk in the left pane, click on Inbound Rules. Asterisk in the right pane, click on New Rule. Asterisk select port and click Next. Asterisk select UDP and enter the port range, 26900-26903. Asterisk click Next. Asterisk select allow the connection and click Next. Asterisk select domain, private, and public and click Next. Asterisk give the rule a descriptive name, example 7DTD UDP inbound, and click Finish. Asterisk repeat the same process for outbound rules. Create new rules for both TCP and UDP with the same port range, 26900 to 26903, and allowing the connection. Name them appropriately, example 7DTD TCP outbound, 7DTD UDP outbound. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk specificity asterisk if you know the specific IP addresses of the players you're connecting to, you can make the firewall rules more specific by restricting the connections to those IPs. This is more secure but requires more configuration. Asterisk rule order asterisk the order of firewall rules can sometimes matter. Make sure the 7 days to die rules are high enough in the list to be processed before any other blocking rules. Be router firewall/port forwarding, if NAT is an issue. If you suspect that NAT is interfering with your P2P connections, you might need to configure port forwarding on your router. This is typically only necessary if you are hosting the game and other players are having trouble connecting to you. 1. Access your router's configuration page asterisk. Asterisk open a web browser. Asterisk type your router's IP address into the address bar. Common router IPSR. Asterisk 192.168.1.1. Asterisk 192.168.0.1. Asterisk 192.168.2.1. Asterisk 10.0.0.1. Asterisk if you don't know your router's IP address, open a command prompt, type CMD in the Windows search bar, and type IP protocol configuration. Look for the default gateway address. To log into your router ***, you will be prompted for a username and password. The default username and password are often printed on a sticker on the router itself. Common defaults are *username, admin, password, admin. *username, admin, password, password. *username, blank, password, admin. *username, admin, password, blank. If you have changed the username and password and forgotten them, you may need to reset your router to the factory defaults, usually a small button on the back or bottom of the router. This will erase all your router settings. 3. Find the port forwarding section ***. The location of the port forwarding settings varies depending on the router manufacturer. Look for sections labeled **port forwarding, *virtual servers, *NAT forwarding, applications and gaming. 4. Create a port forwarding rule **. Click Add New, Create New Rule, or a similar button. Fill in the following information. Service name / description enter a descriptive name, example 7DTD-TCP, 7DTD-UDP. Protocol select TCP or UDP. You'll need to create separate rules for each protocol. Port range enter the port range 26900-26903. Some routers require you to enter the start and end port separately. Internal IP address, LAN IP address enter the IP address of the computer that is hosting the game. You can find this IP address by opening a command prompt and typing IP protocol configuration. Look for the IPv4 address under your network adapter. It will typically be in the format 192.168.x.x or 10.0.x.x. Internal port, private port enter the port range 26900-26903 again. This is the port the router will forward the traffic to on your internal network. Click Save or Apply to create the rule. Repeat the process for UDP ports. 5. Static IP address, highly recommended. It's best practice to assign a static IP address to the host computer within your local network. Otherwise, the DHCP server on your router might assign a different IP address to the host computer after a reboot, invalidating your port forwarding rules. The process for setting a static IP address varies depending on your operating system. Windows **. Go to Control Panel Network and Internet Network and Sharing Center. Click on your network connection, usually Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Select Use the following IP address. Enter the following information, replace with your actual values. IP address ** a static IP address within your network's range, example 192.168.1.100. Choose an address that is not already assigned. Make sure it's within the same range as your router's IP, example if your router is 192.168.1.1, use 192.168.1.x where x is a number between 2 and 254 that isn't already in use. Subnet mask * usually 255.255.255.0. Default gateway * your router's IP address, example 192.168.1.1. Asterisk preferred DNS server. Asterisk you can use your router's IP address or a public DNS server like Google DNS, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Asterisk click OK twice. Asterisk check your router's DHCP settings to ensure the IP address you chose is not within the DHCP range. This prevents the router from accidentally assigning the same IP to another device. 6. Router reboot. Asterisk after configuring port forwarding, reboot your router to ensure the changes take effect. See testing the port forwarding, important. After setting up port forwarding, you need to verify that it is working correctly. 1. Online port checker. Asterisk use a website like canyoseme.org or portchecker.co to check if the ports you forwarded, 26,900 to 26,903, are open. Asterisk enter your public IP address, the one shown on the port checker website, and the port number you want to test. Asterisk if the port checker shows success, or port is open, your port forwarding is working correctly. If it shows error or connection timed out, double-check your port forwarding settings and firewall rules. 2. In-game test. Asterisk have a friend try to connect to your game. If they can connect without any issues, your port forwarding is likely working. D. Using UPnP, not recommended for security reasons but simplifies setup. UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, is a feature that allows applications to automatically configure port forwarding on your router. While convenient, it can pose security risks. It's generally not recommended for security reasons, but if you're struggling with manual port forwarding, you can try it. 1. Enable UPnP in your router. Asterisk access your router's configuration page. Asterisk look for a section labeled UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, or similar. Asterisk enable UPnP. 2. Enable UPnP in 7 days to die, if applicable. Asterisk some games have a UPnP setting within the game's options. Check if 7 days to die has the setting and enable it. 3. Reboot router and game. Asterisk reboot your router and restart 7 days to die. Asterisk even with UPnP enabled, you still need to ensure that 7 days to die is allowed through the Windows firewall, as described in Section A. 4. Advanced tips and considerations. Asterisk host computer optimization. Asterisk solid state drive, SSD installing 7 days to die on an SSD can significantly improve loading times and overall performance, especially for the host. Asterisk sufficient RAM. Asterisk ensure you have at least 8 GB of RAM, 16 GB is recommended, for smooth gameplay, especially with multiple players. Asterisk powerful CPU. Asterisk a powerful multi-core CPU is essential for handling the processing load of a P2P game. Asterisk clean up disk space. Asterisk make sure your hard drive has plenty of free space. Asterisk defragment your hard drive. If using an HDD, defragmenting an HDD can improve performance. Asterisk network adapter settings. Asterisk disable large send offload, LSO. In some cases, disabling LSO can improve network performance. Go to Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click on your network adapter, select Properties, click on the Advanced tab, and disable any settings related to large send offload. Asterisk flow control. Asterisk experiment with enabling or disabling flow control in the network adapter properties. Asterisk dedicated server, the best solution. Asterisk if you consistently experience lag and connectivity problems, consider running a dedicated server. Dedicated servers offer much better performance and stability compared to P2P. You can rent a server from a hosting provider or set up a server on a spare computer. Setting up a dedicated server is beyond the scope of this guide, but there are many tutorials available online. *VPN, Virtual Private Network. In rare cases, a VPN might help improve connectivity if your ISP is throttling your internet connection or interfering with P2P traffic. However, VPNs can also add latency and decrease performance. Use them cautiously. Monitor network performance tools. Use tools like the Resource Monitor, built into Windows, or third-party network monitoring software to analyze your network traffic and identify potential bottlenecks. Server config.xml adjustments, for dedicated servers, but provides insight. While not directly applicable to P2P, examining the server config.xml file, found in the 7 days to die _data folder inside the server's installation directory, can provide insights into network-related settings. Here are some key settings you might find in the server config.xml. These settings do not exist for P2P games started directly through the Steam UI. Server port, specifies the port the server uses, default, 26900. This should match the port you forward on your router. Server name, the name of the server that appears in the server browser. Server password, a password required to join the server. Server max world transfer speed (KBS), limits the rate at which the server sends world data to clients. Lowering this can reduce bandwidth usage but may increase loading times. Server visibility, determines whether the server is publicly visible in the server browser. EAC enabled, easy anti-cheat, enable or disable EAC. While not directly related to lag, a mismatch here between clients and server will prevent connection. vCode examples, Firewall configuration, PowerShell. The following PowerShell code examples can be used to automate the creation of firewall rules. Run PowerShell as administrator. Explanation ***$app name *** a variable to store the name of the game for the rule display name. $game exe path and $server exe path crucially, these variables must be updated with the correct paths to the 7 days to die executable files on your system. Verify these paths carefully. $port range the port range used by the game. New net firewall rule this commandlet creates a new firewall rule. Display name the name of the rule as it appears in the Windows firewall interface. Program the path to the executable file that the rule applies to. Protocol specifies the protocol, TCP or UDP. Local port specifies the local port range. Action allow specifies that the connection should be allowed. Enabled true enables the rule. Profile domain private public applies the rule to all network profiles. Important *. 1. Always verify the file paths, $game exe path and $server exe path, before running the script. If the paths are incorrect, the rules will not work. 2. This script creates both inbound and outbound rules for the game executable and the port range. This is the most comprehensive approach. 3. Run PowerShell as an administrator. 4. After running the script, check the Windows Defender firewall with advanced security to confirm that the rules have been created correctly. 6. Conclusion. Fixing lag and firewall issues in 7 days to die P2P can be challenging, as it depends on the network configurations and hardware capabilities of all players involved. Start with the basic troubleshooting steps and work your way through the more advanced solutions. If you are still experiencing problems after trying everything outlined in this guide, consider using a dedicated server for a more stable and reliable gaming experience. Good luck, and have fun surviving the zombie apocalypse.